I've got myself a Nikon D3200. Now this is my brother's old camera, Wiltshire Man, and it's kind of on permanent loan. It's mine as long as I can use it, so I thought I'd come out here and now I'm no kind of photographer by any stretch of the imagination. I'm more of a film guy, but you know, I'll give anything a go, and I thought this is what I'll try. Give it a go and see how we get on with it. Interesting little plaque here. Part of the surrounding area is dedicated to Peter Begley Jr., never forgotten. In quotes, always believe in your soul, you are indestructible, and close quotes. Woodland Trust. Yeah, such a shame, look, because orange mark on the tree indicates that it's going to come down, which is a shame because I guess this tree's been here a good many years. But it looks like it's not going to be here for much longer. Yes, so there's quite a few trees around here with orange marks on them. That one, that one, that one, that one, the mark of death. That one there, the mark of death. Well, if you want to try and keep it natural, then you just let it do what it's going to do. Grow. Gone. Gone. Good sized tree as well. Signs of spring. Spring is springing, although apparently we have some cold weather on the way. Today being the 3rd of March. sign of spring here in the form of this lovely magnolia bush, I guess it could be called that, couldn't it? Or a blackthorn. I don't know my magnolias from a blackthorn. What is this, do you reckon? Magnolia or blackthorn?
Not magnolia.
No?
No.
Okay. Let's see if I can get a bit of an angle on it. There's no sunshine, there's no sunlight today, so sunshine is a bit of a killer for some photographs apparently. Problem is with that angle there, I'm going to get the telegraph poles in it and the pylon. I don't really want that in my photographs. What I'm going to do is come this way and alleviate that and then take a shot of it like that. There we go. Good stuff. Nice. Really nice.
There you go.
Thank you, darling.